I'm very excited to feature another new listing that we have here in BF Homes Parañaque. It's a property that sits on a total lot area of 236 square meter and a floor area of 300 square meter. So now let's check out this house at my back. So from the outside, what you can see is here we have a good landscape garden. And then the building facade, it's a mix of white, black, gray, and wood panels. So it's very classic yung design niya. So now, let's check inside. Tara! Okay, so as you step inside the property, on the right side, you'll have here the car garage. It can fit to up to 2 vehicles. Ngayon, currently, there's final touches pa na ginagawa dito sa house. So, you see mga construction materials on that side. Then, on the left side, you have a good landscape over here. Then, there's access to this side all the way doon sa likod. So, meron tayong dirty kitchen doon sa likod. Then, I'll show you later once we get inside. Okay? Tara, so I'm very excited kasi when we checked it earlier, we really like the design and we like the materials used and also the theme. It's all white. So if you notice, you get a good interior. It's a high ceiling na all white yung design, so very neat yung tignan. And there's windows on this side and over this side, so there's good source of natural light and ventilation dito sa property. And I really like the effect of having a high ceiling kasi mas malaki tignan yung property mo. Okay, so from this could be your living area. So you can maybe have the sofa over here, then you can set up the TV over that side. Then this is where you entertain your guests, your family, or anyone visiting you. Then from there, you get the first bedroom over this side. So this could be like a guest room. Ayan. So come on, check it out. So sa bedroom na to, it comes with a split type aircon. Then there's good floor materials used. It's a wood flooring. And then there's a toilet and bath over here. It's a common toilet and bath, so that is also the powder room. Can be used a powder room for your guests. Okay. Then from the bedroom, this could be your dining area. So sa dining area, it has enough space and it gives you immediate access to the kitchen area over here. But before we go to that side, let's first check out this side.
So Jack and Jill toilet.
Dito sa likod,
there's
storage there.
From this room.
Then there's a lanai with artificial grass. So there's open roof. So this could be a source of ventilation inside the property para while you guys are dining in, dun sa dining area nyo, there's a ventilation coming from this side. And nandito na rin yung access going towards the maid's room. And the maid's room, it has its own toilet and bath. Okay. And then, so coming from the lanai area, this again could be the dining area. And it gives you immediate access to the kitchen area. So this is the island counter with good lighting over here. This is where you can prepare food for your loved ones. And it has good materials used also. This is, again, quartz, yung materials. And then you have an overhead cabinet over here. Then the countertop with installed stove already. So hindi mo na kailangan to get a stove because it's already an electric stove. Then there's a exhaust, no? Okay, then there's a sink over here. Then here's the two-door fridge. Okay, and again, it's still consistent with the theme. Parang black and white yung theme ng house. So I like that it's minimalist pero very classic yung style niya. Then from the kitchen, dito naman, there's an extension of the kitchen. This is going to be the dirty kitchen area of the house. So what I like about this house is there's a ventilation coming from this side. Kasi parang meron siyang air well. So I like that they initiated to have this kasi nagkakaroon ng ventilation sa loob ng bahay. So that goes all the way doon sa second floor, which later I will show you doon sa master's bedroom natin. Okay, by the way, this could also be a laundry area. So there's already a faucet over here. Okay, and then this one is a tank, no? So there's gonna be no issue in terms of water supply kasi the owner has installed the water tank already. Okay. Next, from the kitchen, there's a mini storage over here. So you could maybe put some shelves para maging storage ng mga food and grocery. Okay, so now, let's check the rest of the house. Akit naman tayo sa second floor. So, dito pa lang sa stairs, again, it's white. It's a mix of white color and then there's wood na materials used. There's glass. And dito, just because of the high ceiling, kaya you see your neighborhood from this side and there's natural light, no, dito sa loob ng property. And come on. Okay, so dito sa second floor, there's this parang indoor balcony. So from here, there's a good materials use of flooring. It's a natural wood na ginamit, kaya maganda siya. And then there's good lighting over here. Then yung pinaka first room is nandito. So this could be a bedroom, but if you don't want to turn it to a bedroom, maybe an office, pwede din. And what's special about this room is meron siyang sariling balcony. And it's a very huge one. So, tignan nyo. Ang laki ng balcony, right? So, if you wanna just appreciate your neighborhood, so you can maybe step out of the balcony and just look around your neighborhood. Then, there's another room over here. So, this is some bedroom. So, this can fit, maybe you can have a queen-size bed, then 2 side tables. And this room comes with a split-type aircon. And it also has access to the toilet and bath over here. So it's a common toilet and bath. So this room gets access through that door, pero there's another door over this side. There's another door over this side since it's a common toilet and bath, no, for these 2 rooms. So ito yung isang room natin. Yung pala, yung dalawa yung may access dun sa common toilet and bath. But this room, it comes with its own toilet and bath. Ayun. So this could also have like a queen-size bed, a side table. So if you have kids, so this could be your kids' room. So maybe a boys' room or a ladies' room. So depende kung sino yung kasama niya sa house. And on to the best part ng ating mga bedrooms. So this is where the master's bedroom is. So this is the master's bedroom. So you could have your bed over here. Then there's like a provision here. You can set up to like maybe an office space. So you can set up your computer table over here. Then From this side, yung na-mention ko kanina na air well, what I like about this room is there's ventilation. Kasi if you get out here, mararamdaman mo talaga yung flow coming from the air well. You wanna feel it? Come check it out and visit. Pero pag tinignan mo, ayan. So this is the air well. And so if nandito kayo, mararamdaman nyo mismo yung ventilation coming from this. It's a special feature ng house and I really like it. Hindi siya usual sa house pero it's good to have parang air well nga kasi mas mahangin. Okay? Then there's good floor finishes used. Then another good thing about this bedroom is this walk-in closet. So if you look at the materials used, very classic again. It's black cover, so it's perfectly blending doon sa white painted wall na ginamit dito. And then you have this mirror. So what I like about yung cover na mirror is mas nagiging maluwag siya tignan. So that's the effect of having a mirror cover sa walk-in closet natin. And then lastly, sa master's bedroom is we have the toilet and bath with really good finishes. Ayan. So the flooring, the shower head, okay, the toilet bowl. So everything is ready to use and it's ready for occupancy. So yeah, I hope that you enjoyed this property tour that we just did for our new listing here in BF Homes Parañaque. So I'm sure if you like this property, through this video, you'll like it even more when you visit this property. So if you're interested to check this out, please call and text me either via WhatsApp or Viber. I would be very glad and very excited to give you a tour to this property. So if you want to check out, again, just reach out to me. And if you have other properties you're looking at, just also reach out to me. We have all the listings available in the market right now. So I hope that you continue to follow our social media pages and also subscribe to our YouTube channel so you get regular updates sa mga listings namin. So again, thank you so much for watching. This is again Froilan John Itos from I2 Prime Realty. So thank you and see you to our next tour. Bye!